Hey guys and gals, sweet Project Cars here with cool trick and affordable ways for the do-it-yourselfer and simple ways. This is coated leather, which means it's coated. It's not the raw leather sitting out there. The problem that many people have is they use the wrong cleaner on their seating, and it ends up stripping some of the coating off and or some of the dye out of the seat, and that is not good. So let's get busy and see what we can do. Now you can see how dirty it is, but I'm going to get up close to it. This vehicle came into us. A gentleman had his dirty dog that was wet get in the seat. He has not been able to get this stuff off there. We're going to share with you how easy it is to actually do that. So let's get up close. Julio, tell everybody where they can get all these awesome products.
Buscar en el show más de la descripción de video para todas las herramientas.
Thank you, Julio Cesar Chavez. Also, don't forget our oil video is coming up within the next week or so. I think you're going to love it. It's going to be a mind blower, and I'm going to share with you how to make your own motor oil that's better than anything on the market. We use our cleanser. Now in this situation, we're going to spray it on, leave it about 5 minutes or so, because it is really bad. And this stuff will not come off. You can't get it to come off by rubbing it. It's on there. Now sometimes you have to do it twice, but the longer you let it set on, the better. And you get what you pay for. Just so you know. Look at that. It's just coming off in gobs. And you're seeing it with your own two peepers. Alright, we've let that set. It's loosened it up really good. Let's wipe it down. This is a stained, clean microfiber that's been washed. Like I said, you're seeing this with your own two eyes. And this seat is one of the worst we've seen in a long time. Now look how much dirt I pulled off that. And I'm actually going to do it twice. I let it set about, what, 2 or 3 minutes. I'm not going to do this front edge here. So you wanted a dirtier seat. You wanted it in coated leather that's coated. So we did it. You guys asked for the videos. We do them. And we're only going to share with you what works. We love these products because they work, period. I mean, that's all there is to it. And the back of that seat looks brand new. The bolster looks brand new, other than normal leather cracks that you get. Now, we'll put the conditioner on. And you can let that set as long as you like. We'll rub it in by hand. Let it set, and then we'll set it out in the warm weather, out in the sun. It really conditions the coating as well. It'll keep it from cracking and doing this kind of stuff here. We're going to just wipe it off because it's a video. So let us know the best motor oil. And I think you're going to love our video. Peel the tape off. I didn't have to worry about fading out the leather or taking the coating off.